Hi, I'm Gray, and I'm a 13-year-old balloon twister, and today I'm going to show you how to make a flower. First, you're going to need 2 balloons. I'm choosing green for the stem and yellow for the flower. We'll start with the stem. Now for the stem, you're going to want to take this part of the balloon, fold it over here, take this part, fold it over here, and then we're going to take the very middle and we're going to pinch it and twist it, and that will form the stem. And now you're going to take this part of the stem and kind of massage it right here into a little bubble. So it should be shaped like this so that the flower can go into there. Now we're going to make the stem. First, you're going to take this end of the balloon and bend it to about right here, and you're going to twist it. And what I like to do is take this part right here and put it through so that it doesn't come undone. Now you're going to repeat this five or so times. Now you're gonna have a little bit left over, so this is what I like to do. Hold it right here, and you're gonna take off this part. Now you're gonna tie it. And wrap it around the flower. There we go. Something that I forgot to mention, it could be a little difficult to do the petal part. And you... Now what we're going to do is attach the flower to the stem. First, you're going to make a little bubble right here. That's going to go through here. And you're going to kind of guide it through the flower. And put it under. Twist it a little bit. Now it might look a little wonky, but that's okay because we're going to fix it. So you're just going to kind of just put things where they need to be. And now you have your flower.